Do not speak evil to one another. Hello, friends. This is Shundel. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. Do not speak evil to one another. I am sharing with you what is written in the book of James 4:11 to 12. It says, "Do not speak evil of one another, brethren. He who speaks evil of a brother and judges his brothers, speak evil of the law and judges the law. But if you judge the law, you are not a doer of the law, but a judge. There is one lawgiver who is able to save and to destroy. Who are you to judge another?" Have you ever think of this, my friends? Do not speak evil to one another. Think that we are not capable of judging others. Do not judge others. When you judge others, you're speaking evil to others. And that is not good. Why? Because the scripture says, "Do not speak evil to one another." That means you are not going to speak bad things to others. You are going to speak for yourself and be open-minded and do not judge others. Remember, we all are human and we all can commit mistakes. Nobody is perfect. Therefore, we have to understand that it is not good to speak evil or bad things to one another. As a Christian, we have to understand that one of the most common reason people leave church is because of judgment. Therefore, practice, do not be a judgmental person. Instead of receiving the love and acceptance they are seeking from their church family, they meet with harsh criticism and are judged on how they look, the way they walk, or the way they talk, or what they wear, who they associate with. It is pure arrogance to place our own personal preferences and conviction on the same side as the Bible and then start judging others who don't meet our expectations. Do not speak evil to one another. When you speak evil to another person, it seems you are judging them as well. Do not do that. God created all of His children uniquely different, and no one should be expected to act or think like we do or be criticized for not sharing our opinions. Just because someone does things differently or thinks differently than we do doesn't always make it sinful or wrong. No, when we condemn others, we are basically saying that God's judgment is not good enough. But the Bible makes it very clear whose job is to judge. It's God's job to judge, not our job. In 1 Corinthians 4:4 says, "It is the Lord who judges me." And in Matthew 7:1 it says, we're told, "Do not judge, or you too will be judged." and with the measure you use, it will be measured to you. When we fall into Satan's trap of comparing and condemning people, we succumb to the sin of self-righteousness, believing that we're better than others. There's only one way to escape the devil's snare, and that is to allow Jesus to come into our hearts and fill us with love and to give us up the hatred for our own sins more than we hate the sins of others. Think that in James 4:11, again I will read it. Do not speak evil of one another, brethren. He who speaks evil of a brother and judges his brother speaks evil of the law and judges the law. But if you judge the law, you are not a doer of the law, but a judge. There is one lawgiver who is able to save and to destroy, and only God and God alone. So we must work on with ourselves, so do not speak evil to one another. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. I love you all, and bye-bye.